The first time we visited the jail, we didn't know anything about it, and it was before you had to pre-register. Now that they make you pre-register, they do give you some information at the same time. You have to go on the website. I think possibly the stuff's available in hard copy too, but you just go on the website and you have to read all the things you can and can't do, and that's helpful orientation. But they didn't have that years ago when we started. And the first visit, we took a bunch of books. We thought we were going to be able to hand them to him. We thought we'd be able to actually be physically in the same space. And that wasn't the case at all. So we were really surprised about that, and the guards just said, no, you have to take all that stuff back to your car. And there are a lot of constraints. Maybe there are more than there were then. You can't take a phone, you can't take even a comb. Lipstick, I've had to surrender a couple of lipsticks. So anyway, I was surprised by that. And I was really surprised by how unbelievably controlled everything is. You have to you have to submit personal information and I did it on the website in order to have a background check done. And your background check has to come back clean. And then you have to get placed on the list of the inmate. So you have to be in communication with the inmate. And that also is complicated because in order to communicate with the inmate, you have to arrange the phone calls in advance. And so if you're not already in touch with an inmate or a family member who is in touch with an inmate, it's kind of hard to get through all that. You're not going to do it in a day. It's a long process. And if you're not sort of process oriented, there's a lot of, it can feel like a lot of roadblocks there. And we did often see people arrive. In fact, there's a few every time, at least at Division 6 where we were spent most of our time. People come and they're just told when they get there that they have to do all of this stuff. And I can understand, you just hear that your loved one is in jail and you show up, and then that's when they find out.